Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video of me detailing. So I'm into the polishing step now. I already did the hood. It's not looking too bad. First time polishing as well. There on top. Got rid of some bird poop stains as well. Yes, looking nice. I'm using the Turtle Wax one and done with the root hairs, yellow polishing pads. Say hello. Yeah, and with the Adams Swirl Killer. The polishing pads are a bit big for this backing plate. Got the wrong order and decided to use it, so working well so far. Not bad, not bad. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. Also did the headlights. Damn. So I'm not too sure what you guys would be seeing, but I'll take you guys along for a little journey. So let's do this piece here. Take our time. Spread the product. Got this. Crank it up to 4. So guys, feel free to critique me, so next time I'll know what to do better. But so far I'm getting decent results. Well, we know this can't come out for sure because that's way down there. That's the furthest we can go with a big pad. So we are getting rid of some swirls, but there's lots of rock chips and so on here, so we'll see what we can do. Some 4. So don't want to pass over these digs too hard with the pads because I don't want to tear them up, you know. But so far it's going well. First time doing it. Got rid of some minor ones around it. Feels smooth. Nice. So we're not looking for perfection, guys. Remember, be brave. You need to be brave when you're doing this stuff. Because if you're holding before, this needs to change. See the color it's getting. Hey. So be brave. If you're holding it weak, you're gonna lose control of it. So amazing how these headlights came out. I'm gonna finish up this. Gonna finish it up. And then I'll show you guys the final look. So here it is, guys, final product. Did manage to get most of the swirls out. So already prepped the paint for the sealant, and I'm gonna be using turtle wax. I have used this already. It's nice, it's good. I'm also gonna be giving it a second coat, but not with this, with a microfiber coat, but that'll be 24 hours after. So take a look at the paintwork. It's nice and clean, it came out nice, better than I was expected. I'm also going to be putting the sealant on the glass and on the plastic trims. Well, this didn't come out, but could have tried harder. So let's start. Remember, shake before use. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish the entire vehicle, also on the trim as well. Then I'll show you an after look, probably out in the sun, see how it shines. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Okay guys, that's a wrap on this video. Here's the final look. Not bad at all. Remember, like, share, subscribe if you want to see more. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.